Let me teach you how to pronounce the Q in Ndebele. So it's one of the famous Ndebele clicks, and here goes. A, E, I, O, O. You can actually hurt your tongue with this one. But yeah, so let's get into the words that use the sound, and you'll be practicing as we go. The first one is Iqaqa. So Iqaqa is a skunk. Okay. That animal that smells. So if you wanted to say a skunk smells, you would say iqaqa liyanuka. All right. Are you managing to say qa? Another word, qalisa. You often hear me saying asqalise. So I'll be saying let's begin. Okay, asqalise, let's begin. That's the qa right there. All right. Moving on, we have umqanso. So umqanso is a steep or a hill, an ascent, okay, umqanso. And it comes from the word qansa. Qansa means ascend, go up. That's the verb, okay? So if you wanted to say, for example, there is Danisile going up the slope or going up the hill. Nanguyana uDanisile eqansa umqanso. Eqansa umqanso. Angithi moving on, iqembu. Iqembu is a team. That's the Ndebele word for a team. Okay. For example, iqembu le Highlanders. The Highlanders team. Here's a sentence that you can use. Iqembu le Highlanders lizanqoba. The Highlanders team will win. Okay, so this is an important sentence that you should know. Once you start saying the sentence, your Ndebele will kick in. That's the day you start speaking Ndebele. And you can't replace this with another football team and say maybe iqembu le Dynamos lizanqoba. No, you have to say iqembu le Highlanders lizanqoba. Okay, then you begin to speak Ndebele. Iqili. Iqili is a trickster, a cheat. Okay, a cheat. Iqili. So if you wanted to say Nqobile is a trickster, Unqobile liqili. You see how we end up having these tongue twisters without even planning them, because you'll be wanting to say this person is tricking me, and then their name happens to also to have a click in it, and the name is Nqobile, right? So it ends up being something like that. Unqobile liqili. Next, iqolo. So iqolo is the back, okay? When you're talking about the back, we say iqolo. So if you wanted to say my back hurts in Ndebele, you'd say iqolo lami libuhlungu. Iqolo lami libuhlungu. All right. And then isiqubu. Isiqubu is speed, okay? If you wanted to say inkosi yabo is fast, is a fast runner, okay? You say unkosi yabo ule siqubu. He has speed. Makes sense? I hope it's making sense, and I hope you've been trying to pronounce this click. Continue to try and siqhubeke ukufunda isiNdebele. Let's continue to learn Ndebele, and I'll see you next time. Sharp.